Are you doing the free call?
Thank you. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 009530, State versus Maria Magdalena Cisneros. Can I have parties announced?
Marshall B. White. Oh, yes. No, it's
And are you Miss Cisneros? Counselor, have you received all discovery that you review with your client? Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Probation, this is an application.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
What's your name, Zanani?
Any objection?
Okay.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right. The state is proceeding on count 2. That's possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not enter the plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yeah.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her? Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Ms. Cisneros, has anyone threatened you, coerced?
In a courtroom in early 2025, Maria Magdalena Cisneros faces serious charges. The judge meticulously reviews her rights, ensuring she understands the indictment, plea options, and potential consequences. With counsel by her side, she knowingly waives her right to a jury trial. The state proceeds with evidence, and the court finds sufficient grounds for conviction.
You or place you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promise you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state, any objections to the court writing in that the state is only proceeding on count 2? All right, according to your plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on count 2 only. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. The state is opposed to your application, and there's to be restitution of $180 to DPS for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense is at the plea. State is at the plea. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I think he needs to use some.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions? Then to count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
During the proceedings, the court outlines the plea bargain: 6 years in prison, a fine, and restitution to the Department of Public Safety. Cisneros signs forms acknowledging her rights and the waiver of appeal. The judge emphasizes the probation process, mental health evaluations, and the importance of attending every appointment before the next hearing on February 5th.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits one and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Counsel, if you're requesting a PSI and CAP evaluation, it won't be completed until February. All right. Ms. Abrams, how much time do you need? I'm sorry?
I said, let me give you a date.
All right, thank you.
Can we do February the 5th?
All right, so we'll be back on February 5th. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Is there a need for a mental health evaluation as well?
I don't think that's.
All right, so it'll be a PSI and TAP evaluation. What I can tell you is there's going to be more than one appointment with probation. Usually there's appointment for the PSI, and then they give you another date to do the TAP evaluation. Make sure you make each of those appointments. If you have some confusion over what date it is, just call and ask them, all right? We'll come back on February 5th. I'll base my decision on your application based upon whatever evidence is presented. All right, thank you. They'll give you a reset form, and once you sign that, you'll be excused. Before you leave, they'll talk to probation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, you're welcome.
On that front row by probation.